I'm from a place where the dreams don't stay. Young souls trying to find just one way. Money so weak it fades in a week. Work all month, still can't even eat. No job, no hope, just pressure and pain. Love feels distant when you're broken the rain. Wanna build a home, but the doors stay closed. Every road I take feels already froze. They say be patient, better days will come, but the clock keeps ticking and we still feel numb. So we look at the sea like it's freedom's door, cause staying here feels like a prison for sure. يبقى الآخرة